how to record your voice and change your voice using the YouCut video editor app. It is 2025 at the time of this video. Make sure you have the latest update and let's get started. So let's just say you have your video and you reach to the part where you want to start doing a voiceover on your video or just narrate over your video and you want to start recording. So you want to first start where you want to start in the video by placing the timeline where the orange bar is. So wherever this orange bar is and you start to record, that's where the voice is going to start recording on. And you want to now browse over here and look for the record tool, which is this tool right here. As you tap on it one time, this is going to show up. And once you tap on this a first time, it will start to record whatever you say. So here we go. This is a voice recording using the YouCut video editor app. Then tap on it a second time to stop your recording. While in this view mode here, you can choose to either press the check mark to save that recording that you just did on the video, or delete if you want to delete what you just recorded because maybe you don't like what you heard, okay? And you can also, before doing any of this here, you can go back and play to hear what you just said. This is a voice recording using the YouCut video editor app. Then tap on it a second. Okay, so you can hear it before you press the check mark. Also, while in this mode here, while you're viewing all this, you have the option to change your voice by tapping on this. But we'll get into that in a moment. So let's just say you press the check mark and you want to save it as this now. Okay, this is the recording that you want to save. Maybe you might have tapped away for some reason and now you want to go back and change your voice. So what you're going to do is you'll come back to wherever the voice recording is, tap on it one time, and you'll notice these tools will appear. And when these tools appear, you're going over to where it says voice changer. That's how you can go about changing your voice. And then you can choose what you want it to sound like. You have these free options here. You have the man.
This is a voice recording using the YouCut.
You have the woman.
This is a voice recording using...
This is a voice record.
And once you've made your selection, press the check mark to save that different voice that has been changed. Now, other than just changing your voice, you can also come back and tap on the voice recording itself. These tools will appear again, and you can also choose to lower the volume of that voice recording if it's too loud on your video, or even speed it up. So maybe you might have said a few words and you realized that you talked a bit slower than usual and you wanted to go a little faster. You can increase the speed of it or slow it down. And it's really up to you to make these changes. And of course, you have the captions option, which when you select it, it'll run the process for you and create the captions, but is limited to about a minute on the free version. I'll do a separate tutorial on that. And ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.